Welcome to AERO Auto Defense, the channel where we bring you deep insights into the most advanced aircraft, drones, and defense technologies from around the world. If you are passionate about aviation and the future of military power, make sure to subscribe and join us on this journey. Today, we are going to explore one of the United Kingdom's most ambitious and secretive projects in modern aviation, the Taranis stealth drone. Named after the Celtic god of thunder, Taranis is a symbol of power, innovation, and the growing importance of unmanned combat air systems in the future of warfare. Taranis is not just an ordinary drone. It is a technology demonstrator developed by BAE Systems, in partnership with the UK Ministry of Defence, Rolls-Royce, Kinetic, and GE Aviation. The project began in the early 2000s and was officially unveiled to the public in 2010. But unlike other drones, Taranis was designed with cutting-edge stealth technology, making it extremely difficult to detect by enemy radar. This places it in the same class as other advanced unmanned combat aerial vehicles such as the American 10-47B or the French Neuron. The drone measures about 11 meters in length with a wingspan of around 10 meters, giving it a presence similar to a small fighter jet. Its sleek, flying wing design reduces radar visibility and also improves aerodynamic efficiency. Powered by a Rolls-Royce AERO engine, Taranis is capable of high subsonic speeds, allowing it to travel long distances and carry out missions deep into enemy territory. What makes Taranis special is its role as a testbed for autonomous systems. The drone was built to demonstrate how an unmanned vehicle can operate in hostile airspace, identify threats, and even carry out strike missions without being directly controlled by a pilot. Of course, human oversight is always part of the system, but the level of autonomy tested in Taranis shows the future of warfare moving rapidly toward artificial intelligence and independent decision-making. The first test flights took place in 2013 at a secret location in Australia. These trials proved that the UK had developed one of the most advanced stealth drones in the world. Reports suggest that Taranis successfully performed complex flight maneuvers, tested radar-evading features, and even simulated attack missions. While much of the data remains classified, defense experts believe Taranis has significantly advanced the UK's understanding of stealth technology and autonomous combat systems. One of the key aims of Taranis was to prepare the groundwork for a future operational system. The lessons learned from this program are feeding directly into the next generation of combat aircraft, including the UK's Tempest project, which envisions a sixth-generation fighter jet working seamlessly with drones in a loyal wingman role. In this way, Taranis is not just an experimental drone, it is a stepping stone to the future of air combat. The project also highlights the UK's ambition to remain a leader in advanced military aviation, independent of other powers. With drones becoming a central part of every modern air force, Taranis shows that Britain is ready to play a key role in shaping tomorrow's battlefield. Thank you for watching AERO Auto Defense. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Taranis stealth drone, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos about the most fascinating aircraft and defense technologies in the world.